Shout out my apes in the fucking zoo. Filet-O ain't gon' shoot. Spin on who? Who the fuck is you? Who the fuck you know, nigga? No, nigga. Niggas killed your cousin, you gon' smoke.
What's good, Breadwinners? Welcome back to Breadwinners TV. Today we're going to be doing the different types of aux cord user skit. Let's get straight to the video. What's up, bro? What's good? You ready? Alright. I'm kind of tired, bro. You tired? Yeah, let's play something light. Alright, hold on. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah.
Keep my dick in my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy. She kicked me out on life, bro, ayy. That bitch don't wanna be friends, ayy. I give her dick, she a man, ayy. She put her 10 on my dick, ayy. Look at my wrist about 10, ayy. Just had to. Oh my gosh, Kason, Frosty, hi.
Hey, what's up?
Did you study? Did you study for the math test third period?
No, I didn't study at all.
Oh, okay. Before we get on the road, can I go ahead and play a song? Let me Bluetooth to your car real quick. Can I play a song, please?
Yeah. Alright, better, but don't play no weird stuff. I'm setting up the Bluetooth right now. Alright, I think you should be connected. Don't play nothing weird, please.
I'm not,
I want to have some crank. It's early in the morning. I want some crank.
Kason, you know me. Stop it.
Alright, go ahead.
It's been said and done. Every beautiful thought's been already sung.
Nah, see, this is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about, the weird stuff.
So your melody will play on and on.
Alright, no, what? Give me back up.
What? Why? Kason?
No.
Kason.
No, stop this, stop it. No. That's what I told you not to. Get out the car, you're walking to school. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Kason.
Get out the car.
Kason.
Get out the car.
I'll suck your dick.
Get out the car.
Oh, I like my chicken fried. And cold beer on a Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio. Yeah, doggy. I was raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. And that's home, you know. Sweet tea, pecan pie, and homemade wine, where the peaches grow.
Alright, what's good, bro?
What's up, fool?
Hey, bro, put on some good ass music right now, bro. I'm in a lit ass mood.
Alright, bet, bro. Let's go.
I'm ready to crank.
I wanna know how we became so distant, girl. The way we fell in love, it was our
Are you serious?
I'm trying to find a way around it.
What is this, bro?
Girl, tell me how you feel about it.
Oh my goodness, bro. Put on a little more fire.
Thank God
More lit than that. Come on, please. Thank you. Thank you.
I need.
Okay.
Bruh, what's wrong with this?
What are you doing, bruh?
It's Love Dolores. It's in Travis Scott.
Bruh, I need like happy music.
Alright, bro, I got it.
Come on, bruh.
Alright.
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
Bruh, you're such a light skin,
That's Slow Motion by Trey Songz.
Oh my god, I hate light skins, bruh.
Sylvester?
Hello.
That was kind of weird.
Can we just please get there, please?
Alright, bro, alright. Let me see what you got on your playlist.
No, I'd rather just hurry up and just get to study hall, please.
Come on, Sylvester, bro. I know you got that crank, bro. I know you got that crank.
One song.
Alright, that's all I need. One song. We'll be there. Let's go.
fuck you rockin', man. Free Santana, man. Free J-Rock, free Sticky, Pimpies, man.
that's alright. Now I'm talking.
Bitch, I'm very hard. Take it very hard. Take it fairly hard. Chop up with a blade. Cause my bitch cough. 1911 mall, leave you with a scar. My mama so hard. My daddy go hard. Take it fairly hard. Take it very hard. This Stuka is my bond. Take it fairly hard. Chop up with a blade. It's gon' rip you apart.
Kaysen, can I get the aux, please? Can I get the aux, please? Here.
Just don't play no weird. Don't play nothing weird,
bro. I told you, bro. I don't play weird stuff. All I got is straight fire.
Alright, bro. I'm gonna take your word for it, bro. Alright. Guys playing.
They waste shit on me. Yeah. I've been moving tunnels, trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful.
Bruh. I just told you don't play no weird. What is this?
You know how I like it when you laugh at me.
No, give me back the aux.
What happened? What was wrong with that?
No, that's terrible, bro. You
oh
never
my
get the aux
God.
Again, what's up, bro?
Ready to hit them all?
Yeah.
Bet. What you got on the aux, fool?
I got this. Oh, I got this crank song. All right, here we go.
Watch out on my nigga on 50, so you know we hopped out, mobbed out, outside. We gon' show what we about. All my niggas really gangbang, talk that damn slang. Grab a body, do the same thing, let your nuts hang. We gon' pull up, nigga, on the leg, on the side of this. We gon' fuck, we don't do race. You don't got a man in this spot, bro. 50 bands, shit, 100 bands.
What's good, Breadwinners? If you're watching this and you made it to the end of the video,
Please remember to like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.
let us know if you like this type of videos and we'll continue to make more of them. Breadwinners TV, we out.
First off, I'm a wild nigga, so don't walk up on me with that fuck shit. I'm a little nigga with 100 headers and I keep a weapon, don't duck shit. Yo, main bitch got busted. We ran the train and she sucked dick. Silly rapper who a #1 is these bitches cannot be